Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure smart lock access scheduling with August Home. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your August smart lock is installed and connected to your smartphone. Open the August Home app on your mobile device. Log in to your account if prompted. On the home screen, select your August smart lock. Tap on the Access tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Guest Access option and select it. Choose the person you wish to schedule access for or add a new user if necessary. Tap on Add Access to proceed. Select the specific dates for the access schedule. Set the start and end times for the access period. Review the schedule to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, tap on Send Invite or Save to apply the changes. The invited guest will receive a notification regarding their access schedule. To modify or delete the access, return to the Access tab. Select the existing guest access and make your adjustments. Be sure to save any changes you make. That's it. You've successfully configured access scheduling for your August smart lock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.